Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. Today in this chapter 6, I will presentation about present perfect tense. If you know what is present perfect tense, so watch this my explanation about this chapter until the end. Before continuing the presentation, I will introduce myself first. My name is Kayla Aura Afrisa. I'm from class 9 for Junior High School 25 Makassar, and my serial number is 15. Definition of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is a grammar in English that is used to express that something has happened. Next slide, pattern atau pola. First pattern atau pola pertama yaitu pattern positif. 1. Positive sentence subject plus have or has plus verb 3. Next, positive sentence subject plus have or has plus been plus adjective or adverb. And next pattern, pattern negative atau pola negatif. 1. Negative sentence subject plus have or has not plus verb 3. Next, negative sentence subject plus have or has not plus been plus adjective or adverb. Last pattern, pattern interrogative atau pola mengajukan pertanyaan. 1. Interrogative sentence have or has plus subject plus verb 3. And next, interrogative sentence have or has plus subject plus been plus adjective or adverb. Next slide, characteristics. 1. Use of have for I, you, we, they, and has for he, she, it. 2. Use of verb 3, and 3. Use of already, just, not yet, for, and since. Next slide, usage atau penggunaan. 1. Uncompleted action atau penggunaan untuk menyatakan tindakan yang telah dimulai di masa lalu dan masih berlanjut sampai sekarang. For example, 1. I have known him since 2012. 2. We have lived here for 4 years. 2. Completed action atau penggunaan untuk menyatakan suatu tindakan yang baru saja selesai. Biasanya menggunakan just. For example, 1. He has just gone to school. Example 2. We have just arrived home. And 3. Express experience atau menyatakan pengalaman. For example, I visited historical places in Makassar a month ago. 2. When I was little, I was trained to ride a bicycle. Next, example. First, example of pattern positive. 1. Sharon has worked for 3 different company. Yang dimana Sharon menggunakan subjek yang berbentuk she, kemudian menggunakan has karena subjeknya she, lalu worked yang merupakan verb 3, and for 3 different company yang merupakan adjective or adverb. Example 2. I have tasted the pasta. I merupakan subjek, lalu menggunakan have karena subjeknya I, kemudian tasted yang merupakan verb 3, the pasta yang merupakan adjective or adverb. Next, example 3. They have been to Singapore twice. Yang dimana they merupakan subjek dan menggunakan have karena subjeknya they, kemudian been, kemudian Singapore twice yang merupakan adjective or adverb. Next, example of pattern negative. 1. Dian hasn't finished her art project yet. Dian yang merupakan subjek, kemudian hasn't atau has not menggunakan has karena Dian berbentuk subjek she, lalu ada finished yang merupakan verb 3, her art project yet yaitu adjective or adverb. Example 2. I have never been to Australia in all my life. I adalah subjek dan menggunakan have karena subjeknya I, never yang artinya tidak pernah, kemudian been, kemudian to Australia in all my life yang merupakan adjective or adverb. And example 3, she hasn't learned English for 5 years, di mana she adalah subjek, kemudian seperti yang dijelaskan pada first example, yaitu hasn't atau has not, menggunakan has karena subjeknya she. Learned yang merupakan verb 3, and English for 5 years merupakan adjective or adverb. And the last example of Petra interrogative. 1. Has Dinda finished her project? Di mana menggunakan has karena Dinda adalah subjek yang berbentuk she. Kemudian finished yang merupakan verb 3 and her project yang merupakan adjective or adverb. And example 2, have you been to Bali in the past 5 years? Di mana menggunakan have karena subjeknya you, kemudian been, kemudian to Bali in the past 5 years yang merupakan adjective or adverbs. Next, conclusion. Present perfect tense is used to express an action or situation that started in the past and still continues until now, or has been completed at a certain time in the past but the effect is still ongoing, and uses conversation about experiences or changes involving a place. That's all my explanation in this chapter. I hope everything is well received. Thank you for your attention and bye guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.